Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to delete a file or folder in Windows. So for this case we have to go to the new volume or where we have allocated or we have saved these things. So click this and here this PC, that is the storage thing. Here any kinds of file I can use. This file I have used this before, that's why here I am taking this. So here I want to delete this file or folder. See where this folder I want to delete this. So click this or mark this. We can delete from the here. See the delete icon, or we can click the right button from the mouse and here we have got this delete. So we can delete any kinds of things from here. Now we want to delete a file. So in this file also we can see from here we can delete these things. Also we can delete from here. In this way we can delete these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.